sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumigres, tumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, musas-mos, pasok sa galawang balikan na ikaw ang bila.
Velvet D-League basketball, illegal, legal, legal, legal. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga, di ka papagul.
And it's the start of our 16 under matchup sa pagitan ng LYBX LHD at ng Batang Calamba Powder Coating. We would like to welcome everyone to the Velvet South Basketball Inter-Training Camp Basketball League 16 under division. And for those na hindi nakakalam, we have 5 divisions for this league. We have 12 under, 14 under divisions that was held early this morning. We have women's basketball na nakatatapos lang, and we have 16 under and 18 under divisions. And right now, we are witnessing the matchup sa pagitan ng LYBX LHD 16 under and ang Batang CPC 16 under division. And there's jersey number 19, Hernandez, with the 2 points to start the first quarter. Caparas with a steal and lays it up and delivers a 2 points. We have a foul on jersey number 11. First personal foul and first team foul for jersey number 11. Leonardo. And out of bounds, LYBX LHD ball. 14 seconds to shoot para sa kupunan ng LYB. Lizano to Leonardo. Lizano fires a 3, no good. On the fast break, we have jersey number 4. Or sorry, jersey number 0, Kamat, on that fast break. And Coach Julius will be forced to call a timeout. Lianes to jersey number 13, misses. Lianes on the rebound. 2 points by LYB's big man, Lianes. For 3, no good. Out of bounds. LYB ball. Lianes. Miscommunication there. Maybe na to. Leonardo with a lay. They're good. And a steal. Honte is fouled. Foul on jersey number 37, Lianes. That will be his first personal foul and second team foul. And second team foul para sa kupunan ng LYB. Caparas on the leather. We have Kamat. PGC number 1. Onte. Caparas. To Onte. No good. PGC number 37. Wala pa rin. Lizano is fouled. Foul on jersey number 37, Amon. That will be his first personal foul and first team foul para dito sa mga bata ni Coach Marvin. Leonardo tries it to Rin. No good. Rebound will go to Lozano. Sorry, that's Lozano. Hernandez. Steal by Lozano. Lozano setting up the play. Gives the ball to Llanes. To jersey number 17. Steal by Batang CPC. Amon. To Onte. Kamat on the leather. We have a steal by Lizano. Lizano domina derecho. Lizano spins. Lizano fires. No good. We have Caparas on the leather. 2 points for that fast break for Caparas. And a traveling violation. Coach Julius will be forced to shuffle his players. $14 on the shot clock para dito sa Batang CPC. And a miss. Here comes LYB. There is a foul. Foul on jersey number 19, Hernandez. First personal foul and second team foul. He won out on the free throw line. Para sa LYB, gets that first throw. Ewarat misses the second one. Pinyon couldn't hold that leather. Kaya mapupunta ang bola sa Batang CPC. Kamat gives the ball to Amon. To Onte, back to Amon. But that's a traveling violation by Amon. Iwarat lays it up. It's good. Score on the line is 8-5. 3-point lead by Batang CPC. Kamat gives the ball to the corner to Onte. But Onte is fouled. There's a foul on jersey number 7, Pinyon. And Coach Marvin will call a timeout. Pinyon for his first personal foul and third team foul para sa kupunan ng LYB XLHD.
Pakita mo ang likas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet din.
We are back to the ball game. Onte fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound makukuha pa rin ng batang CPC. Onte tries. There's Hernandez. 2 points. Adonis for 2. Madrazo to Amon. Amon kulit. Hold the leather. Tenyon on the move. Jersey number 14, Valenzuela on that follow-up is good. Baba sa isang kalamangan ng batang CPC. Madrazo. Thank you. Here comes Onte. No good. Piñon on the rebound. To Iwarat. Chance to take the lead. Adonis fires a long 2. And in out. And we have a foul on jersey number 14, Valenzuela. That will be his first personal foul and waiting for penalty on the side of LYBX LHD. Madras on the leather. Hernandez fires a 2. No good. Chance to take the lead. Wala. Hernandez nandun. Nakita si Onte. Onte, too strong. Adonis with a lane. No good. Hindi man lang tumalon. Ito si Amon. Madrazo gives the ball to jersey number 54 to Hernandez. May matatawagan dito. Foul on jersey number 8. Foul on jersey number 8, Adonis. First personal foul and a penalty para dito sa kupunan ng LYBX LHD. Latrell, si Adonis yung foul. Hernandez misses the first throw. Second throw is good for Mr. Hernandez. Here comes Ferrer, blocked by Amon. Coach Marvin really utilizing the length and height netong si Amon. It really intimidates those shooters mula dito sa LYBX LHD. Here comes Madrazo. Onte with the leather. And he is fouled. Jersey number 4 Bondied. Matatawagan dito for his first personal foul. And a penalty. Ipapahinga dito ni Coach Julio si Adonis. Ipapasok si Chicote. Onte misses his first throw. We would like to acknowledge, of course, our table officials for Velvet South Basketball, our media team, and of course, our Velvet South referees, and our league founder, Cap JJ Maghirang. And with that shot, we're now on a deadlock, all 11 for our first quarter. Onte finds a miscommunication from Batang CPC. And a steal by Madrazo. Stolen back by jersey number 4. Bondad, no good. Follow-up is good para kay Valenzuela. 20 seconds, 18 on the shot clock. Madrazo lost the ball. Here comes Chicote, no good. Offensive rebound makuha ni Valenzuela. Pero mapipituhan tayo ng out of bounds. Batang CPC with 6 seconds left for first quarter. Opening salvo ng ating 16 under bakbakan. And we have 2 more 16 under matchups. And that's it for our first quarter. 13-11 in favor of LYBX LHD. And we will be back after this short break.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka mo.
And we are back for second quarter para sa ating 16 under matchup sa pagitan ng LYBX LHD and ng Batang CPC. And we have a steal by Kamat. Gives the ball to jersey number 9, but we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 11. Leonardo, that's his second personal foul. And first team foul para dito sa kupunan ng LYBX LHD. Mamaya po. Katapos na po nito, coach. Bondad. Out of bounds. Not counted yung throw kanina sa free throw line. Kaya our score will be deadlock at 13. And we have a steal by Mr. Leonardo. Leonardo on the lay. 2 points. Almost a steal by Leonardo. Kamat with 10 seconds. Caparas in and out. Yanis to Chicote. It's no good. Ball will stay sa kupunyan ng LYBX LHD. Bondad. is blocked by Aquino. Chicote on the follow-up is good. Lamang po ng apat ang LYB XLHD. Let's see how Batang CPC will react. Jersey number 17 with a floater, no good. Aquino babawi with a steal pero natapikan. Isano to Chicote, fires a 3. No good. Caparas on the rebound. Here comes jersey number 9, gets the basket. May kasama pang foul para kay Basit. Foul on jersey number 13, Lizano. First personal foul and second team foul for Lizano. Chance for a 3-point play. No good. Yanis. And a steal by Kamat. Kamat lays it up. It's good. Pag dead ball, Tutoy. Out of bounds. Coach Julius will deploy his team and reshuffle his players. Approaching the 7-minute mark of our second quarter. And fresh off the bench, Valenzuela with a 2-point. Onte answers back. And we have a steal by Mr. Caparas. Caparas to Onte with back-to-back basket. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa kupunan ng Batang CPC. 21-19. Hernandez. Here comes Iwarat. He will be fouled by jersey number 10. Caparas for his first personal foul and first team foul para sa kupunan ng Batang CPC. No good. Jersey number 17. Same ball with 4 seconds on the shot clock. And a 24-second shot clock violation mula sa LYB XLHD. Hernandez. Traveling violation para kay Hernandez on that play. Valenzuela is blocked by Onte. As I've said kanina, no, Coach Marvin is really utilizing the length of his players. The speed, of course, also by Caparas is really helping. Valenzuela with a shot, no good. Adonis, pupol ng 3, wala. Honte passes the ball to Kamat. Yes, sir. And another steal by Caparas. But we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 91, Ilagan. First personal foul and third team foul para sa LYB XLHD. And we can see Coach Julius deployed some players from the bench. Agawa ng bola, Adonis. Adonis gives the ball to jersey number 14, Valenzuela with a 2 points. We're approaching the 4-minute mark of our second quarter. Here's LYB XLHD on the move. Jersey number 11 fires. 2 points. Two points brought to you by Mr. Leonardo. And we have a foul on jersey number 11, Leonardo. And that will be his third personal foul early on our ball game. Second quarter pa lang, tatlo na tong si Leonardo. Third personal foul and a warning for penalty para sa LYB XLHD. Kamat with 10 to shoot. Finds Caparas. That's too strong for Mr. Caparas. Valenzuela fires a 3. Sorry, Leonardo fires a 3. Malalabas ang bola. And a timeout from Batang CPC. Official scores were at a deadlock, 23-all, with 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time for our second quarter.
Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinobultin ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban. Na parang na modus, ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magtuto.
And we are back to the ball game after that timeout mula sa Batang CPC. And as I've said, this is just the first game for our 16 under division. Dahil pagkatapos nito, we will witness the match-up sa pagitan ng Laguna Hoop Dreamers at ng Lucas Basketball. And after that, we have LBDLX Armstrong Philippines versus Blue Steel San Pablo City. And for our last game of the evening, our 18 under division opening salvo, LBDL Galleons versus AG Apparel Wild Boys. And I believe I can already see players mula sa magkabilang koponan, Lucas and Laguna Hoop Dreamers. Laguna Hoop Dreamers is already here also, and also nakikita ko na rin ang ating second to the last game. I mean yung last game natin, which is yung LBDL is also here already with us dito sa NHA Covered Court. And for those people who wants to see the games live here sa NHA, you can also go here sa NHA Covered Court in Barangay Santo Angel to witness this amazing matchups mula sa ating 16 under and 18 under divisions. And mapipituhan dito si Leonardo for his fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate early on the first half. So mahihirapan na tayo dito to see him in action during the rest of the second quarter. But let's see if he will be deployed back during the third quarter or he will be used on the fourth quarter of this game. Lizano lays it up, no good. And Amon using his length to get that rebound. Onte loses the ball. GC number 4 is blocked by Onte. Naipasa kay Kamat ang bola. Kamat to Caparas. Recovered. Nakuha na dito ni Llanes. To Iwarat. No good. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ulit ni Iwarat ang bola. Iwarat on the third attempt is good. 55 seconds remaining time para sa ating second quarter. Onte fires a 3. No good. Chicote lays it up, 2 points. Last 20 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Bola mapupunta dito sa LYBX LHD. Eighteen seconds remaining time para sa ating second quarter. Llanes gets that basket. May kasama pang foul. Mapupunta na ang kalamangan dito. That basket by Llanes. Mapupunta na ang kalamangan sa LYBX LHD. And a chance to make it a 2-point lead on the free throw line. Llanes with a bonus shot. And it's good. 10 seconds remaining for second quarter. Onte lays it up. Good. Follow-up is good by Onte. And that's it for second quarter. Closing the second quarter with a deadlock, all 30. And we will be back for a third quarter here on Velvet South Basketball.
Sarili, galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro.
Naipit yung chunk ko. Sakit. And it's the start of the third quarter. Opening up with that shot from Onte, but he misses. Here comes Lizano. 2 points. Again, we would like to welcome everyone dito sa ating Velvet South Basketball Intercamp Basketball League 16 Under Division. So katatapos lang natin kaninang umaga ng ating 12 Under and 14 Under Division. We also had our women's basketball matchup kanina. And now we have our first game for our 16 Under Division. A matchup sa pagitan ng Batang CPC and ng LYBX LHD. Right after this matchup, we have Lucas Basketball versus Laguna Hope Dreamers. And after that, we have LBDL Armstrong Philippines versus Blue Steel Basketball. And for our last game or for our main event for today, we have LBDL Galleons and AG Apparel Wild Boys. On the free throw line, we have Chicote. Misses the first one. Bola mananatili sa kupunan ng LYBX LHD. Of course, we would like also to acknowledge our table officials, also our Velvet South referees, our Velvet Sports Media, and of course, our league founder of Velvet South Basketball, Cap JJ Maghirang. Aquino. To jersey number 9. Basit. Chicote answers back with a 2 points. We have Kawile to Madraso. We have a traveling violation from the side of Batang CPC. We are joined by the 5 players from Batang CPC. We have GC number 9, Basit. We have 54, Kawile. We have GC number 16, Madraso. We have GC number 37 and GC number 17. GC number 37 being Alman and GC number 17, Aquino. Para naman sa LYBX LHD, we have Chicote. We have a Warat. And we can also see Lizano, Llanes, and Bondad. Sila mga nakadeploy dito sa loob to start our third quarter. Llanes on the ball, no good. Juicy number 16 loses that ball, or Madraso loses that ball. With the top board, 2 points by Llanes. Llanes on that rebound. Nakita si Bondad. Chicote lumipad with a 2-point, extending their lead to 4 points. Entering our 7-minute mark. Amon recovers too strong para kay Amon. And Lizano on that fast break, no good. On the follow-up is good. That shot by Lizano will force Batang CPC to a timeout. 40-34, 6-point lead by LYBX LHD with 6 minutes.
Sabay rekta, quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na
And fresh from that timeout, Aquino fires a big three para gisingin ang kupunan ng batang CPC. But Lizano answering with a 2-point para naman sa LYBX LHD. And a steal by Iwarat. Iwarat, no good. Iwarat pa din. But there's a traveling violation. We can see how the defense of LYBX LHD improved during the third quarter. They really showed quality defense, kaya nahihirapan na makalusot ng mga bata ng batang CPC. And let's see how they will answer back, or ano magiging strategy dito ng batang CPC to recover from the lead ng LYBX LHD. Speaking of recovering, we have a steal and too strong for jersey number 9, Basit. No good. Basit on that rebound. Aquino to Kawile, sorry. Lizano. Wala. Aquino securing that ball. Gives the ball to Basit, but there's a foul. Matatawagin dito, jersey number 37, Lianes. Second personal foul for Lianes and first team foul para naman sa LYBX LHD. On the free throw line, we have jersey number 9, Basit. First throw, no good. And syempre, we would like to greet nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon, Coach Yusef Bandao of MGBJ4 Energy Wizards. Thank you for tuning in sa ating Velvet South Basketball live games. Aquino on the letter, binigay kay Lakatan. Lakatan to Aquino, fires another 3. Yes, sir! And we're now on a deadlock once again, but Lizano answers back immediately with that 2-point fast break opportunity. Lakaran setting up the play. Aquino. There's a whistle. Free traveling violation. Chicote to jersey number 11, Bondad, no good. Sorry, Leonardo. Foul on jersey number 11. Leonardo, 5 fouls on jersey number 11, Leonardo. And a 13 foul. As I've said, nagulat tayo dito dahil dineploy back agad dito si Leonardo sa third quarter, knowing na meron na siyang 4, and with that foul, we won't be seeing him in action today for LYBX LHD. And Basit with that shot, another deadlock for this afternoon. Tapi ka ng bola, recovered by Chicote. May foul tayo doon. Mapipituhan doon, jersey number 37, Amon. Oh, sorry. Yes, it's Amon. First, third personal foul and second team foul. And LYBX LHD will be forced to call a timeout. Score on the line is all 44 with 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter.
Sa pang-hoops ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili.
Parang napadami yung lagay ko ng pabango. Same ball with that last touch by Batang CPC. 8 seconds para dito sa LYB. That's too strong. Makukuha ni Onte ang rebound. Onte, what a pass. In and out. Chicote on the fast break, coast to coast. Delivers at 2 points. Balik ang kalamangan. And a steal and a shot by Lizano. Make that a 4-point lead by LYB XLHD. Onte on the leather. Onte lays it up. Is good. Matatawagan dito si jersey number 2. Lakata ng foul. First personal foul and 13th foul para dito sa Batang CPC. Iwarat setting up the play. Iwarat na ipasa kay Basit. Basit lays it up and it's good. Another deadlock for this afternoon. With that 2-point shot by Basit. But there is a foul by jersey number 9, Basit. That will be his first personal foul and a warning for penalty para sa Batang CPC. First shot is good for Adonis. Second shot wala. Nakakuha ni Onte. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Kamat fires at 3. That's too strong. Rebound goes to Basit. Bitin. Fast break. Iwarat. Couldn't handle that ball. Masyado napalakas ang bato doon para kay Iwarat. Forcing a turnover. And let's see. And there's a foul. We have a whistle for jersey number 8. That is second personal foul for Adonis and a warning for penalty. Kamat to Aquino for 3, no good. Adonis to Lizano.
Pwede kami mag-challenge daw, tatawag na yun. Kasi parang ang nangyari na, meron, may
First shot is good for Lizano. Second shot, no good, pero makukuha ni Lizano ang rebound. Angat sa apat na kalamangan ng LYB XLHD. Out of bounds. Pero bola mananatili sa batang CPC with 35 seconds remaining time and 12 on the shot clock. Onte finds Caparas to Kamat. Aquino on the letter. 5 to shoot, no good. Last 20 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter. Lizano out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng LYB. Valenzuela with a 2-point, extending their lead up to 6. Onte will be fouled by Adonis. Third personal foul and a penalty para dito sa kupunan ng LYB XLHD. Second shot for Onte is good. Last 5 seconds. Misses that basket. And that's it for third quarter. Official score is at 54-49. LYB XLHD securing that 5-point lead before the third quarter ends. And we will be back for our fourth and final quarter.
Pasok sa kalawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial.
And we are back to the ball game for a fourth and final quarter. There's a turnover mula sa batang CPC. And again, we would like to greet Coach Yusef Bandao of MGBJ4 Energy Wizards. A very good afternoon. And thank you for always supporting Velvet South Basketball. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 10, Caparas. Third personal foul and first team foul para dito sa kupunan ng batang CPC. No good. Aquino on that rebound. May mapipituhan dito. Foul on jersey number 22. Iwarat. First personal foul on Iwarat. Out of bounds. A good defense ang pinakita doon ni jersey number 22 Iwarat on that possession by Batang CPC, forcing a turnover on their favor. Let's see if they can convert that turnover into a point. But there's a steal mula dito sa kupunan ng Batang CPC with Bassett delivering a 2 point. Mapipituhan dito, jersey number 4. Second personal foul on Bandad and 13 foul para naman dito sa kupunan LYB XLHD. Caparas. A big 3-point shot by Caparas. Kaya balik ang kalamangan dito sa Batang CPC. And another turnover mula sa kupunan ng LYB XLHD with that out of bounds ball from Valenzuela. Onte finds Kamat. Caparas tries another 3. Yes, sir. Another 3-point. Sorry, it's a 2-point, long 2 by Caparas. Onte, 2 points. And it will force Coach Julius to call a timeout para dito sa LYB XLHD with 60-54. With 60-54 on our sa ating talaan.
Sa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya, buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na mag-pressure pag dinobultin ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni Coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban na parang
And we are back to the ball game after that timeout mula sa LYB XLHD. Mapipituhan dito si jersey number 10 Caparas. Caparas that will be his 4th personal foul. His on trouble because it's his 4th personal foul warning for Graduate. Let's see kung paano didepensa ulit dito si Caparas with that 4th personal foul on his list. Onte with that basket. Here comes Chicote. Bassett counts with a foul. Foul on jersey number 1, Onte. First personal foul and 13th foul para dito kay Onte. We are now approaching the 7-minute mark for our fourth and final quarter. And Malahito delivers a 2-point. Kamat finds Caparas. Caparas out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa Batang CPC. 14 to shoot para dito sa kupunan ng Batang CPC. Onte. Foul on jersey number 17. It's Malahito. Third personal foul and a warning for penalty para dito sa mga bata ng LYB XLHD. No good. But we have a foul. Another foul from jersey number 17, Malahito. Malahito warning for Graduate with that foul. First shot is good. Para dito kay Aquino. Second shot iluluwa. Here comes Piñon on the letter. Izano with 10 seconds to shoot. Chicote with 5. Piñon delivers a buzzer beater shot. We have a 3-point lead by Batang CPC. Kamat finds Caparas. And it's good for Caparas. 2 points brought to you by Mr. Caparas. Nathan Caparas has really been contributing with his lead by Batang CPC. With those back-to-back 3 points kanina ni Caparas. Kamat on that defense. Chicote. And Llanes using his advantage. Mapapatime out dito ang Batang CPC. 65-64, 1-point lead by Batang CPC on our 5-minute mark para sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Piyansa kapag tumitira, maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw, sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid, baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay, babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, bola, bola.
And we are back after that timeout by Batang CPC. Kamat finds Aquino. Gives the ball to Caparas. 10 seconds to shoot para sa Batang CPC. Caparas fakes. Caparas. Mananatili ang bola sa Batang CPC with Onte on the inbound. Hernandez, topic ng bola, nakakuha ni jersey number 7, Lizano. Lizano bringing back the lead to his team, LYBX LHD. Comes Kamal. Oh, sorry, Caparas. Foul on jersey number 37, Lianes. Mapipito doon si Lianes for his third personal foul. And penalty for LYBX LHD. On the free throw line, we have GC number 10, Nathan Caparas. To take the lead. No good. We are once again on a deadlock for this game, all 66. With 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Chicote dumediretso. Chicote lays it off and gets that basket. Onte susubukan sumagot. Yes, sir! Traveling violation. May mapipituhan dito ng foul. Foul on jersey number 13. Lizanos. Second personal foul and a penalty for LYBX LHD. On the free throw line, we have jersey number 1, Dion Onte. Chance to take the lead. Last throw for Onte. And he gets that basket. Lamang na muli ng isa. Ang batang CPC and make that 3 with that another basket from Onte. Lizano gives the ball to jersey number 8 Adonis, but he misses. Kamat on the leather. Kamat finds Aquino. Back to Kamat to Onte. Tapi ka ng bola. Mapupunta sa LYBX LHD. In 3 minutes, mapipituhan doon si jersey number 1 Onte. Second personal foul and a warning for penalty para sa kupunan ng batang CPC. Natapik ni Aquino ang bola. Gives the ball to Caparas. And gets that basket. Angat sa 5 ang kalamangan ng batang CPC. Here comes Chicote na libre sa gitna. Can it deliver? Out of bounds pero mananatili ang bola sa LYBX LHD. Iwalat. Pero mapipituhan dito ng traveling. Ito ang si Lizano. Caparas on the leather. Nawala ang bola. Nakakuha ni Aquino. Aquino finds Caparas. Tries a 3. No good. But Onte is there. Extending their lead to 7. And we're now on our last 2 minutes for fourth and final quarter. May mapipituhan dito ang ating mga officials. Foul on jersey number 37, Amon. Mapapatawag ng timeout dito si Coach Julius. Napituan doon si Onte. That's his fourth personal foul. Sorry, Amon. Fourth personal foul. And we are back to the ball game after that timeout. Shooting 2 is Chicote. First shot is no good para dito kay Chicote. Second shot wala pa rin. Amon is there on the rebound. Onte. To Aquino. Angat sa Sham. But we have a foul. Onte. Third personal foul and penalty on the side of Batang CPC. Chicote missed that first one. Second shot is good for Chicote. It's just a 4-possession ball game. Sorry, 3-possession ball game para sa magkabilang koponan. Mapipituhan dito ng offensive foul si jersey number 10. Caparas. Kaya naman, mapipituhan tayo ng, or mabibigyan ng fifth personal foul which will lead to his graduation from the game. Let's see how the disqualification of Nathan Caparas will affect Batang CPC in this crucial moments of the ball game. Aquino, no good. Here comes Chicote. And we're approaching the last 1 minute of our ball game. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan dito ng koponan ng Batang CPC. Jump ball. LYBX LHD ball. Last 51 seconds Lizano lays it up. 2 points by Lizano. At baba sa dalawang kalamangan dito ng Batang CPC with 46 seconds remaining time para sa ating fourth and final quarter, which forces Coach Marvin to call for a timeout.
Sumabay, tumakdak, tumalon, tinako, tumitres, tumiling up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, putos-mos, pasok sa kalawang patika na ikaw ang bila.
Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball.
Again, this is just the opening salvo of our 16-under matchup. Right after this, we have Lucas Basketball against Laguna Hope Dreamers. And after that, we have Blue Steel San Pablo City against LBDLX. LBDLX Armstrong, Philippines. Basit maglalabas dito ng bola. Finds his big man, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 17, Malahito. Out of the ball game. That's his 5th foul of the game, which will force Valenzuela back to the ball game. First shot is good for Amon. Two for Mr. Amon. Angat muli sa 4 na kalamangan nitong Batang CPC. Cut it down to 2. By that shot by Valenzuela. But Basit. LYBX LHD ball. But it forces a timeout sa kupunan ng LYBX LHD. 22 seconds left para dito sa ating fourth quarter. But it's just a 2-point lead by Batang CPC. What a ball game. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari after this timeout by LYBX LHD. And we are back to ball game. Ano kaya magiging diskarte dito ng mga bata ni Coach Julius to force at least an overtime for this game? But there's Lizano gets a basket. May kasama pang foul. What a crucial shot by Mr. Lizano. Foul on jersey number 9. Basit. That will be his second personal foul. And a penalty. And we have a foul. Goal on jersey number 4. Bondad. Bassett misses his first throw. Second throw for Bassett. Still no good. Makakukuha dito ng LYB. Here comes Chicote on the winning shot. No good. 5 seconds. Onte gets that basket. And a winning shot by Onte. What a matchup. What a matchup that we witnessed today for the opening salvo of our 16 under division. And our winner of the game is Batang CPC. And our best player of the game, is jersey number 1, Dion Onte. Also delivering that winning shot for Batang CPC. And we will be back for a second game for our 16 under division.
Bola 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 is life. Dapat bola 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 is life. Dapat bola 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 is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball